around and find out Fridays. Hopefully you guys are ready. It's also known as casual Friday. So it's the same day, but it's fuck around and find out Fridays and casual Fridays as well. Hopefully you guys are having a good morning, but oh boy, did we get some data this morning in the labor market. So all of those pivot boys, everybody out here saying that the bull market's back. Everything is going great. The bull market is back. The market ran a little, so the bull market is back. Shut the fuck up. You have no idea what you're talking about and have no idea how to read and understand macroeconomic conditions and where things are headed in statements that the Federal Reserve Chair has actually made. So everybody needs to sit down a little bit, let the big boys talk, and when everybody else is in here saying pivot bull market, shut the fuck up and let the adults speak. Okay, cool. So here is what the data actually was over here. Going back and taking a look. Is it over here yet? Yeah, the the estimated non-farm payrolls was 187,000. It came in at 517,000. That is way way high. And then you're also seeing the unemployment rate go down. That's not what we need to see in order to basically loosen up the labor market and give us the ability to get down to that 2% inflation target. Again, remember, the Fed is looking for unemployment to go up, inflation to start to go down. If unemployment's going down, then they have to raise rates more. So get ready for that in some of the speakings and in some of the statements that are going to be made by the Fed over the next few days. The market is not liking this here. It's down about 1.2%. I do have Amazon up here. We got a couple of stocks that had earnings yesterday. So Amazon, Google, and Apple all had earnings. This is getting interesting here, team. But again, guys, make sure you guys hit that like button on the way in over here. I don't want to see any slackers, but team, remember, we made this announcement to you guys yesterday. Today is actually going to be the absolute last day to secure your 50% off lifetime. We went over the details of this to you guys yesterday. There's an announcement in the community. All you guys have to do is use code OG Lifetime if you're new. If you're not new and you're already an existing member and you want to transfer over, just reach out to Diana in any of the chats in Discord. And she will be able to help you out on transferring your membership over from monthly to getting that 50% off a discount for the lifetime membership on our platform. But team, keep smacking that like button on the way in. And again, you guys all have access to your 2-week free trials. You're really missing out if you're not coming in on that. I mean, again, you've seen it many times. Let's see. This is the golden age. Dude, I love those statements. Also, I want to shout out to Applejacks. I highly doubt he's in here watching the stream right now, but the kid makes fire short form videos. Make sure you guys are following me on TikTok and Instagram. They're both short to VIX1. Those videos are fire, dude. All I have to do is try to tweak the live stream a little bit to make sure the actual video quality is going to come in a little bit better because it looks good on YouTube, but I don't know why it clipped weird. But those videos are sweet, dude. So make sure you guys are looking for those. What does FAFO stand for? Fuck around and find out. Made it to lifetime last night. Ryan Burnham, let's go. I hope you guys are ready to have a great Friday. The traffic lights are going to lead the way. Again, if you're already up this week, there's no reason to be sizing up, size down a little, make that money, get the fuck out of the market. Enjoy your weekend. You don't want to ruin your weekend with doing dumb shit on a Friday. Can you explain personally how I use unusual whales? I don't use unusual whales. I use our unusual options activity. So here's what I did yesterday, Lori. So this is how I used it. Why is it doing this? Oh, it's right here. So remember when we were looking at VIX yesterday, where the VIX was ripping? So all I did was come over here and look at this to see if there was anything happening today. So all I did was like set the total value to whatever the highest, I sorted it from high to low. And I was like, okay, where are the big premiums coming in? And there wasn't anything crazy. So it was just an overall VIX move that I was looking for. I mean, again, you can use it with Pythagoras and Trader Joe and things like that. And to kind of give you an understanding of where large institutional money most likely thinks things can go. Again, you can't use it as an end all be all. Some people do use flow in that way. I personally would never do that. Here's why. Here's one of the problems with using like one piece of data, guys, and especially with unusual options flow. This is a big problem that people don't seem to realize, and they need to. If you're looking at unusual options activity, here's what you're effectively assuming. You're assuming that the person making that big decision knows something. And you're saying, oh, I'll go along with them. but you have no idea like if they actually do. There could be giant hedges coming through that you're not able to tell by looking at the data. Now, some people can read it in a certain way, but for most people, you don't necessarily want to be following it blindly. It's going to lead to the slaughter because you're assuming that somebody else knows something. And remember what we say, you're never going to get rich following somebody else's trades. Be careful, please. Let's see. How we doing, team? What's Applejack's YouTube? I don't know. Is the Applejack's the same guy that worked under Gabe? Yes. Yes. The dude kills it, man. All right, guys. We're 10 likes away from 50. I appreciate that. I appreciate all you guys coming in here bright and early on a Friday. I know you guys probably have some better things to do. But again, at the same time, let's go make some damn money, man. You're going to be bag holding another 2 months again? On what, Jackson? On what? On what? Yields are up? That would make sense on this move. Applejacks puts in work? He does. TQQQ. Why are you? I don't like guys. I don't like 3 times levered ETFs. Some of you guys really like them, and it works for you. I don't. I really don't like them. Hold on. You need to find something else. I mean, if you're holding it long, it's just I don't like them. They're weird. They recalibrate every night. The levering works weird. If it comes down, it's harder to get back up. I don't like them. I really don't. They're fine as long as you don't hold overnight. Yeah, for day trading them, they're okay. But like for long-term holds, they're okay. Can I explain the 3 time levered? Yeah, in order to make something 3 times levered, they're using a mix of bonds and swaps in order to give it that leverage. Now, what happens is that since you're also basing it on an underlying asset, everything gets out of whack every single day, no matter what. So at the end of the day, they have to recalibrate it, sell some bonds, readjust the swaps in order to bring it back to that 3 times leverage because it's going to wiggle around throughout the day. But then when you think about it, if it goes down, it's harder for it to get back up. Think about it in terms of percentages. Like you're levering something on the way down and then you lever it up. Well, you're going to have a bigger movement to the upside than before to actually get back. I don't like them. There's too much risk. If the thing is, though, if you're going to go into a bull market, you're going to see green every single day, then yeah, they might make sense. But if you're going to see choppy markets like this, it rips, it sells off, it rips, it sells off. Not for me. I don't like them. I'd rather just buy companies that I like or the index. Thanks for all you do, brother. Arca, thank you for coming in here, man. Gold's falling off a cliff too. If the dollar's ripping, then which would make sense. Dixie, what? Are you fucking with me this morning? Don't you fuck with me. Yeah. Oh, wow. That's a big move on the dollar. Jesus. Are you looking for anything specific when hunting 4-hour and daily swings? I was looking at the daily light on USO, but they usually don't touch oil. Yes. So what I would like to do is I look for big pivot points in the market. Like I would look at SPY and say, okay, so I basically do both. I look at whatever single stock it is, and then whatever SPY, QQQ, or whatever they're doing with the overall market. So I look for those things to see, okay, where is the market likely to go? And that's going to give me better odds of, okay, this is going to, like, he could bring the stock that I'm trading up or down to. I think dumb money could just, could let it rip at least a bit today. Dumb money doesn't move the markets. They are exit liquidity. This is the other thing too. Like we've been talking about this a lot, everybody. We've really been talking about this a lot, the concept of not chasing. And this is a good question here that you just brought up. It's like, do you think, let me bring this up right here. Do you think dumb money could let it rip for a bit today? No, dumb money doesn't move markets. Institutional money does. Now, there are some instances where retail investors move markets around. That is true. But in general, it's institutional money moving things around. What quote unquote dumb money is exit liquidity for the institutions. That's what it is. And most of the time, it's because they're chasing. We've seen it so many times with these garbage stocks that just go nuclear. And then all of these people who are new to the market, maybe they come from, let's say, like a background where they don't have as much money to invest. They're trying to hunt for that lotto ticket and it never comes. Maybe they hit 1 out of 20. And that's kind of what gives them that itch to keep doing it. But it's not a repeatable process. And you cannot be trading like that. That's a very, very quick way to just blowing up an account. Again, you have to think of the markets in a different way. Institutions are trying to use you as exit liquidity all of the time. Don't let them. Please don't let them. It doesn't make any sense. Nike on the 4 hour and the daily. Just want to see my thoughts. It's going to be a question of risk reward all the time. It's not necessarily whether that specific stock is going to look really, really good to the up or downside. It has to do with where's the risk reward. And that's really all it is at the end of the day. Right now on the 4 hour here, this is not getting a traffic light. It might a little bit later today if this thing can slip below the 48. But not yet. I mean, you could like if you're looking at the market here in this slip and where it is right now, I could easily see the market coming down and bringing everything down with it. Is that the smartest thing to do? Not really. I'm just going to wait for the indicators to fire off and tell me what I need to see. Just saw something where retail investor levels being at a high since 2020. That's fine. I mean, it doesn't mean they're moving markets around because they're not concentrated. This is one of the reasons why it's like retail money's not concentrated. Institutional money is. Think about it. It's like let's say that retail. Let's just for example, retail has $1 billion. It's not $1 billion. It's way different and probably way higher. But let's just say, for example, that retail in total has $1 billion. Then let's say an institution also has $1 billion and they're going to deploy it. The institution is going to deploy that billion in larger chunks into things that can move markets around than a group of retail investors with $1 billion can put into something. It's going to get like spread super thin and they're not going to be moving markets around because they're not collective. They're just too spread out. The institution is one. They can put it in big chunks wherever they want. I'm so thankful to you and Gabe for all of what you in this community has provided. This is fire. Keep at it, everyone. If you're down, figure it out and change whatever it is that's messing you up. Yeah, man. I mean, thank you, Boric. I appreciate that, guys. Yeah, again, today, guys, last day for 50% off lifetime. We extended it a little bit for you guys just because the payment plan wasn't ready when we thought it was going to be. So if you guys want that, reach out to Diana. It's 50% off. You get access to the live masterclasses, the beta access to everything that we're going to be releasing to you guys in the future. One-time payment. You never got to pay again. The colors on the ADX is just showing where the trend is. Also, guys, you're slacking super hard on the like button this morning. I'd rather you not do that. We're 30 away from 100. Thank you, guys. I'd appreciate if we ran it up a little. It's fuck around and find out Friday. Don't be fucking around because you're going to find out. It feels so normal streaming. It's very weird because like if you were to think in the real world, like, oh, there's like hundreds or sometimes or it used to be like thousands of people watching you, that would freak me the fuck out. But I just sit here talking to my mic and camera and it's just like, oh, cool. Hey. What kind of data drops today, if any? We already got them. You get ISM services at 10. Mary Daly on Fox Business at 2:30. That could get interesting. I mean, everything's starting to slip here a little bit. Seriously, you explain things great so even a boomer can understand. Thank you. Sean, I appreciate that, guys. Thank you. Remember, I've also been doing this since I was 14. So like I have a lot of years. And you guys can all do it too. It's like the one thing that I want you guys to do as well in order to understand things a little bit better is go on this economic data calendar and anything you don't know, just Google it. Like sometimes there's shit on here that I don't know and I have to go look at. Like I'm like, I don't know. And it's just like, or I need a refresher. I'm like, I'm getting confused and I need to go look at it again. Like there's just so many pieces of economic data and you need to know how they affect things and all that stuff. Like there's like almost like 2 or 3 elements to each data point. It's like, okay, well, it could be in relation to 50. It could be higher or lower than expectations. How does the market react based off of it? Where has it been previously? Things like that. What does it actually mean? Things like that. Could you imagine if the whole 1348 community met daily in a meeting hall instead of on here? Yeah, that would be a bit interesting if we did that, man. All right, let's see. Am I TikTok famous yet? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't want to hear my voice. That's not what we want here. Does that require a Market Watch sub? No. No, this is free. I don't know how productive we would be. We wouldn't. Sometimes when Gabe and I meet up, we're like, okay, we're gonna do this. Like in person, we're like, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this. Usually we just end up talking about things, writing them down, and then like not like we're like multitask. It's funny. Well, two trips ago, we were very productive. But that was when I had to go save someone from like being dropped off in the middle of nowhere at like 4 a.m. We stayed up till 6. Then I had to get up at 10 for our 17 million hour long meetings, which were fun. But yeah, the dollar's ripping. I saw that. All right, guys, 5 likes away from 100. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate that, team. Let's get after it today. I mean, I've got Amazon up here. We don't really need it. We can see where Tessie is. How's Tessie? Tessie down 1. And singing in choir. Yeah. My friends want you to start a fund. Have you ever considered doing that? No, because here's the thing. If I wanted to go manage money, I would have just done it. I don't want to manage money. People don't realize what managing outside funds in the stock market actually is. Like, it's probably the high. It depends, even like, especially if you're like managing high net worth money. It's the most stressful thing. Because here's the thing. Not only are you trying to generate them returns, and with that amount of capital, you need some fancy strategies in order to do that and navigate markets with that amount of money, but you're also competing against every other fund manager. So like, and you have to manage the people, because think about the people that you're dealing with. They may not know about the stock market. They may not know. I'm talking about the stock market. Real estate's different. Like, real estate's very different in terms of like raising and managing outside money. It's very different. The stock market, you could see downturn, and there, unless if you're like protected, you can kind of explain it to people. But how the hell are you going to explain to somebody why their portfolio dropped 30? It's like, yeah, the story of the dude jumping off a building. Exactly. It's probably the highest stress job outside of like Formula One racing. Because you are responsible for every cent that the people give you. It's great. Not for me. If I wanted to do it, I would have just gone and did it. Like, it's not just like, oh, yay, let's go management. No. Like, imagine all the things that I have to explain to you guys all the time. But imagine that I'm the one that's managing it. Congratulations on the traffic lights. Thank you. What are the intended timeframes? I use them on the 1, the 5, the 4, and the daily. Do you think NNDM will be the next AMD? It could. I mean, I've known about that stock. I used to make videos about it because it was very interesting. I really was interested in the actual technology that they had. Like, when you come out and you're like, we can 3D print. Here's the thing, though. I thought that here's the thing. They had a really, really good opportunity to like blow the fuck up in 2020 and 2021. The reason is the chip shortage. Now they can 3D print semiconductors with their Dragonfly LDM. I remember AMD at 8. I own it at 12. I have a fuckload of it. It's like 22% of my long-term portfolio. It might even be more now. I own a shitload of it in the 12 to 15 range. But the thing is that they didn't. Like, they could 3D print semiconductors, but I don't think they capitalized on like they did on 2020 and 2021. That was kind of their golden ticket that they didn't capitalize on. So, I mean, now that the chip shortage is kind of fizzling, it's like, I don't know. I don't think some of us realize just how little percentage gain you need to get your 1%. That's the other thing too. You guys, everybody in here has been literally like tainted by social media and seeing these gains. I want you guys to do this. Go on our Trade 1348 platform, use the compounding interest calculator that we have once you get your free trials and everything to the proprietary predictive algorithms and the traffic lights and everything like that, real-time unusual options activity. Once you get access to that, go to the compounding interest calculator. If you make 1% a day, now it's a goal. It's not going to happen every single time. But you realize how easy it actually is to do it. Like if you take a 10% allocation in your portfolio, like actually putting that amount of money into the trade and that trade goes up 10% on an options trade, which is not out of the question that I can do pretty quickly. You're up 1% on the day, you're done. And I believe the percent return in a year, if you were able to average out 1% a day, is in the 1,000% range on your account. Make sure you guys are keeping that in mind because you do not need to be hitting these giant gains. It doesn't, like, you don't need them. You're more of a swing trader? That's fine. I mean, that's why we have the daily traffic lights for you guys. The 4-hour traffic lights are coming. The predictive daily alerts. I mean, we've got some nasty. I've hit some just filthy trades with the predictive daily. You guys saw the Pfizer ones over 100. I think I sold those at like 111%, like what, last month? Those were filthy, dude. 1,103%. Thank you, Ryan. I appreciate that. All right, how much time we got left? 25 minutes to go. What's typically the relationship with the overall market direction in oil stocks? They can be inverse, but they move around. It's oil's super volatile. I think people will realize it 6 to 8 months from now when they have consistent gains. Yeah, just wait till Pi plays those too. Oh yeah, Algo and I are working on that. Oh, Algo, have you been able to set up the new stuff for Pythagoras? Has that happened yet? Pythagoras with the traffic lights? That's coming. That's coming. Working on it? Perfect. Thank you, buddy. Hoping to have it completed by Monday. Awesome. Thank you. All right. SPY kind of hanging out near these lows here. Apple screwing around. Let's see. NASDAQ futures down 2%. Ooh, Activision paying $35 million to resolve SEC stuff. Where's ATVI? Is that dropping? Not really. What's Pi? Pythagoras. That's our predictive algorithm on the daily that trades. We have Trader Joe that trades on the daily as well. We have two of them. I believe Trader Joe was up 14% last year, and then Pythagoras was down slightly, but he still beat the market, which is promising. We've got some tweaks to add to it to make it an absolute monster. What tickers are considered oil, like price per bit? What? No. No. There's oil tickers like Oxy, USO, Exxon, Chevron. Yeah, I mean, again, Gabe and I sometimes look at ourselves and we're like, did we really just create these beasts of algorithms? It's like, yeah, we did. It's pretty cool. So again, guys, everybody gets access to that 2-week free trial to the platform. Again, it's free, guys. Go take advantage of it. See how you like it. I mean, again, you guys see the people like cranking, having super, super crazy amounts of success in Gabe's live chats every single day. Come in and test out why. Nothing is going to change about your current situation if you do not take action. So again, remember, last day today, 50% off lifetime. You're gonna need that Pythagoras of the traffic lights by Monday. Okay, thanks. Well, we're gonna get the daily traffic light alerts to you guys, I believe, on Monday. But Pythagoras with the traffic lights is gonna take a little while because we have to test it. The new ones are filthy. Testing the new one on a small port today till next Friday with $500. Oh, I know, the Ritas. Oh, don't even get me started on the Ritas, guys. The Ritas are nasty. The copycatters are also giving out 2 weeks free. They are literally like, if you were to think about like the leagues in different leagues, they are T-ball. We are major leagues playing in the World Series. I don't give a fuck about them, bro. I genuinely don't. They are such like low quality product. I don't care. Follow my trades. Fuck out of here with that bullshit. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. You guys are slacking a little bit this morning. I don't know what's going on here. What you guys doing over here? We're what, 30 away from 150? Dude, do you realize why everybody tries to copy us? Like, I feel like you guys should think logically. Why does everybody try to copy us? Because it fucking works. It works really well. They're like, "Uh-oh, it's okay though." Like, no matter what they do, we're just gonna keep stealing their people and making them money. That's what it is. That's what we're gonna continue to do. The amount of stories that we've had from people coming from all of those copycat people is insane. Where they come to us and say, "Oh my god, I was in this person's Discord," um, and then they come to us and they're like, "Oh my god, I was losing so much, and now I'm doing." It's like, yeah, obviously, bro, you're following somebody else's trades like a dum dum. You're on the 2-week free trial. What's the minimum you would recommend to start trading after paper trading? It's like it's whatever you're comfortable with. It depends on it depends on the person, man. I would say anywhere between 1,000 to 5,000 is a good spot to start. Just depends on your experience level, um, and what your risk tolerance is. Spy getting killed here. Yeah, such an I know. What's FAFO? It's fuck around and find out Friday. Still not getting the email so you can watch the masterclass. We haven't sent it out yet. And you have to ask if you recently joined as a lifetime member, you have to ask for like the new ones. We're not like we can't just resend all of them. You gotta like it has to be like a one by one basis. I don't know, Kenny. You can try it out and see what happens, dude. You could definitely try that out and see what happens. Again, guys, you have your affiliate codes too. You refer 3 people, your membership is free. Ooh, we got some more affiliates I got to approve. Hello, guys. Just joined. Happy to be here. Nicole, we're happy for you to be here too. 1348 genie's missing from the chart. How do you get it back? Why is your genie missing? Just go re-download the old chart. Just go resave it and you should be good to go. Huge dropped 1.6% off the data. There you go. This could be a fun day, man. Our masterclass is just for the lifetime memberships? Yes. And then for the payment plan, you guys are going to get those, but delayed. So they're going to be a week later. Oh, enable tables. There you go. So what's that in settings up here? Yeah, this could be an interesting day, man. What do we got? About 18 minutes to go. How do you become an affiliate? So you go on the platform, you then go to basically your settings and look at your profile, and then it says become an ambassador, and you just fill out that form and you are good to go. Thanks. You're welcome. You are welcome. Is Gabe getting out today? In the morning? No. I think Gabe has a doctor's appointment this morning. I'm going to need a free lifetime or I will publicly release photos of your ankles. I've already done it. You can't blackmail me with my ankles when I've already done it. No, I would say the printologist. Meet Kevin says the job data is bullish. What is he all right, dude? Seriously, he's a smart guy. Is he all right? That's not bullish. Like that's definition of not bullish in the current environment. Like, is he all right, dude? He's on the bottle again. Jesus. Don't be that mean. Like, dude, I'd love to know why he's thinking that, but like in terms of just like the normal way to interpret things in this environment, unemployment declining and non-farm payrolls coming in wildly hot is not bullish. Ooh, we are 5 likes away from 150. Thank you, team. Okay, I had to get out of there. That stream is gonna give me nightmares. Oh, and by the way, they just ignored it. I mean, guys, you can go terrorize people if you want to, but again, people know where the real deal is. His logic is Powell has this priced in. That's a very, very bold statement. Hit the like button. Freeloaders, join the community. Life wisdom. I appreciate that, buddy. Why is Bed Bath & Beyond being bought up after that terrible news came out? Retail gonna retail, bro. Like, is the playground a rub and tug spot? No. Absolutely not. But I would probably develop a few habits if I were that rich. Hey, fair enough, man. Let him do his thing. I like the guy. So, I mean, he can do whatever he wants to do, I guess. Good morning, everyone. Let's print today. Dr. Grundon, let's do it, buddy. I'm surprised Apple's not getting killed more off of this. It is once then you get arrested and put on a list. Yeah, you don't really want to get put on a list. No list. Good morning, Ankle Army. What's up, team? How we doing? He said, due to inflation down with strong jobs, it's actually a bullish sign and probably no recession. Or since inflation is still elevated, I mean, inflation down, sure. Strong jobs. Yeah, but it's too soon almost. Like, you need inflation lower for that to actually make a difference. Like, because if you're going to see this is the problem. If you see jobs start to pick up like that, inflation could just go right back up. That's the issue. It's like if you just see all of these people working, making more money, spending it in the economy, providing that demand push side to inflation, it furthers the inflationary pressure on the market. So it's come to the U.S. economy being based around Apple. It's been that way for a while, dude. It's been that way for a while. He's on the sauce, if you ask me. Turn on tables. How do you do that? Hot potato. Is it this? Tables, right here. Boom. You go to style, and then you hit tables. See, I can do that, and then turn it back on. Boom, 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 boom. Table off, table on. Wax off, wax on. See, right there. Boom. Kanaka, I don't know how the fuck you wake up that early every morning. More power to you, buddy. Honestly, I couldn't do it. I consider myself a pretty motivated and disciplined individual. Waking up that early, I couldn't do that. I could not do it. I'd lose my fucking mind. I'd be so rude on the stream all day long. Like, even in the afternoon sometimes when, like, I get tired and hungry and people ask, like, a silly question, I'm like, this is crazy. Imagine if I was up at, like, 4 in the morning. Winning loser? Yeah, it does look to be the case there, buddy. No, the genie's not movable right now. All right, 12 minutes to go. All right, team. Make sure you guys get your 2-week free trials and 50% off lifetime. Today's the last chance, and then lifetime is basically going away. Is there a delay in price action between Webull and TradingView? It's slight, yeah. New York attitude? I'm not even from New York, bro. I just talk shit. Like, you're not rude and obnoxious already? Exactly. Imagine how much worse I would be. Like, imagine how much worse I would be. You can't have that. I mean, well, usually I just try to make you guys not make dumbass decisions. Lifetime's going away. Yeah, it's going to a 3-year at 1348, and then you're getting the payment plan for lifetime. So the full one swoop lifetime is going away after today. You can do the payment plan to get lifetime for delayed master classes, and what do you call it? Or you could do the 1348 for 3 years. So that's going to be coming soon too. Thanks for always keeping it real, SCV. That's what these YouTubers lack in. Yeah, dude, they're fucking idiots. Like, literally, if I was in a room with all these YouTubers or I was on a call with them, I'd probably just run circles around them and be like, moron, 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 moron. Leading you people to the slaughter. Good job, guys. Welcome back to Fuck Around and Find Out Fridays, people, where if you fuck around, you're going to find out. It's also casual Fridays. I get to wear my cashmere hoodie today. I get to be all comfortable all day long. All right, 10 minutes until open. Let's do it. Yeah, make sure that you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok too. We're starting to ramp up again on the short form. The accounts for both of those are Short to Vix 1. If you guys aren't following me over there, make sure you do. Also, shout out to Applejacks with those videos. Those are fire, dude. Like, those are really, really, really cool. We're gonna see how far we can take the TikTok and Instagram. TikTok, I think, is gonna start picking up pretty soon. Don't get left behind. We're gonna be having some fun over there. Why did you start dressing up in the first place? It's fun. Why not, dude? The other thing is too, is like, if I don't do it every day, I'm never going to wear my suit jacket. Unless I decide to look like Great Gatsby on New Year's with my tan linen suit. Going to really hammer down on your risk management. Good, Tyler. Yeah, size down. Ryan, no. No, there's a lot of like legal stuff. There's a lot of stuff. So yeah, it's until today for the 50% off OG lifetime, and then it switches over to the payment plan, and then the 3-year option for 1348. So the lifetime stuff's ended today. Those Gabe clips are fire. Yeah. I'm gonna try. I've had some funny ones, like some cool ones, but Gabe's are hilarious. So yeah, 50% off last day today. If you guys want it, cool. Reach out to Diana. If you're a new person, all you got to do is use the code OG Lifetime and you are good to go. All right, team. And then yeah, everybody gets their 2-week free trials. Remember, the monthly payment, the monthly payment that you guys have right now is $30 cheaper than it was 2 months ago. So you get the platform, you get more tools with the traffic lights. It's insane. So the price is not going to stay the same forever. So make sure you guys take advantage of that before we do increase prices in the near future. Just filled out the ambassador form. There you go. I'll approve you. Let's see. There we go. Boom. There you go. Oh, wait, hold on. There you go. When you risk a level, do you wait for it to confirm above or below to take the loss? Yes. But remember, it's usually smaller size with 1 minute. Thanks. You're welcome, Maddie. Yeah, you guys were asking for the affiliate stuff for a while. We brought that out to you guys, I think, what, like last month? Yeah. Also, Tyler, it depends. Like, if the position starts to get out of hand and it starts approaching that 10% loss, I'll just kill it. Let's see. All right, folks. Keep hitting that like button on the dude. We're almost at 200 likes already before open. Thank you. Do you think 408 is a possibility? Yeah. So with the lifetime payment, do we pay after it's done in 3 years? No. If you do the 3-year version, you'll get charged again in 3 years. But if you do the one today, and if you're already in lifetime, you're good. And then if you do the payment plan, you're done in 10 months at 150 a month. Go check my tweet I just tagged you in. Oh boy, what have you done? Is that bro, I don't think I can. I don't think I can. Oh, Jesus Christ. What the fuck? Is that real? Didn't some guy on Twitter say AMC was headed to 100 on Friday? Yep. Yeah, they tend to do that to hype people up, and then everybody gets disappointed. Is there an early payoff option? No. I mean, the early payoff option's been the 1348. Ooh, these TikToks are going, dude. There you go. Everybody, make sure you guys are following us over there. I think Gabe's on there too. It should just be Review Dork or Review Dork 1348. Who the hell said that? Some moron. All right, guys. 5 minutes to go until open. I hope you guys are ready. Let's see. Spy new lows in the pre-market. Gotta run, be safe, everyone. Trust the charts, men lie, women lie, and cheat. Okay. But the chart will tell you the truth. Thanks, Alco. What happened a few minutes ago when the market fell off another cliff? Didn't. I mean, you're talking about the 830 one. This was jobs numbers. 20 likes away from 200 in the pre-market. If you guys hit 500 today, you will get ankles, but I don't think you're going to do it. I don't even know how to find the value of an option before it opens. It's a guessing game. It's a guessing game. You can have an idea. And if it shoots in the money, you'll have an intrinsic value that you'll know is a bare minimum of what your contract will be worth. But nah, it's a guessing game. You'd have to figure out like what the IV is going to move and then run some black shoals on it. So today is a day that I will not be checking my long term. Just saying, I will not be checking my long term today if the market's going to die like this. I only check it on days that the market does good. I don't like seeing. I like seeing because like yesterday it was up like over $5,000. I don't want to see a $5,000 loss. If it's going to happen, I just don't want to see it. Out of sight, out of mind. That's how I look at it. Still got your puts for the 13th. Nice. Amazon to Iowa. Is it slipping? I thought I had Amazon up here for a bit. Tessie's slipping around here. Where's Amazon? Amazon. Nancy slip. Amazon down 6. Dude, Apple is a dud. Look at that. Spy back up. 200 likes on the stream before we even open the market, team. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Shout out to all you guys in the stream over here. You guys are awesome. Hopefully you guys like the little gifts that we're giving you guys with the 2-week free trial, the 50% off discount for lifetime. And then we really wanted to make it more accessible to everybody with the payment plan. So that's going to be coming to you guys next week as well. But today's the last day to get lifetime 50% off to the 1348 platform. You guys have been killing it. I know a lot of you guys have bought lifetime and then like the next day just paid for it. It's fucking insane. Glad I bought good size SQQQ position. Oh, DM Ohio. You might be having some fun there, buddy. Good morning, Vix. What's up, Howie? How you doing, pal? Sharpening shorts and checking long-term accounts never on the same day. SB, what up? Luke Slowwalker. What's up, team? How we doing? Hopefully you guys are ready for a fun market day. Ready to do work, man. 400 plus in the stream. Only 200 likes. Slackers. You got to get in there. Shelly, we'd love to have you. You get your 2 weeks free. You get everything. All right, we got 1 minute to go. Let me hold on 1 second. I gotta grab my second coffee. Give me like 2 seconds. Oh fuck, I forgot it. Give me 2 seconds. Coffee number 2 incoming. Here we go. We're back. Sorry, I had to grab my coffee. All right, spy traffic light. Let's see what we get here. Let's see. Oh, Ghoulie or Julie. Is it Ghoulie or Julie? The printer is on. Yup. Trade 3248 gang. Let's win again. Win another day. Ding, ding, ding. The market is open. Woo! Let's see. It's Gully. That's pretty cool. All right, let's see what the spy wants to do here. Let's see. Spy moving up nicely here. Oh, premiums are back to normal. I like that. Premiums are back to normal now. Fuck yeah. Let's see what it wants to do here. Spy teetering. What? Oh, that was weird. Let's see what we get here. Did Amazon halt? I don't think so. Shouldn't have. Spy's trying to get above this 13 EMA on the 5. No, Amazon didn't halt. Let's see here. Spy moving. Let's see if it gets this push to the 200 on the 1 minute here. All right, scaled out at 12%. I'm just scalping. That was a nice move. Yeah. Throw a stop and profit. Let that thing go. Cool. Let's see. Yeah, all you have to do to get the genie back is go into your settings right here. Settings, tables, on, off, on, off. See? Easy. All right, so I'm up 13% on this traffic light. I just took it off open. 16%, easy. Move a stop up a little here. Actually, I could just play traffic light to traffic light and just let this thing go. That's probably what I'm going to do. I already scaled out, made some money. That's easy. Anything on the threshold list? Good for them. I mean, that's not really going to change much. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. I've already got a nasty spy trade here. Now it's coming back down. I don't really care, but I've already scaled out nicely. So let's see what happens. If it can break through this 1 minute 200, that would be a bit filthy. So that was just a quick one. Small size. I liked it off of open, off the down. Scaled out. Now it's fucking around. Can do whatever it wants. Let's see. Where are the other charts that we wanted to look at here? Apple, big candle. You've already scaled out. It's 933. Dude, it went up 12%. I'm not going to not scale out on that one. It's 933. Yeah, I took a quick one off open. It's small size, though. Like, I'm not going fucking crazy. Like, this was like 2% of my account. So, let's see. If SPY runs back to this, dude, oh boy. Oh boy. 16.5%, 17%, flickering. It's just flickering. I have a stop and profit. I'm just going to let this thing go. Did the same on the Q, scaled out at 16. Nice. Already hit your 1%. Nice, guys. Yeah, these are flickering. I think this trade could be good. I don't know, man. I mean, I'm trying to catch one of those trend days. Just see what happens. So I'm leaving this stop here. All right, we got 1 minute to go until a new 5-minute candle. Closing above that 13 would be sweet. Let's see if we can close above VWAP here. Apple missed yet. It's back to 150. Yeah, Apple was a dud. Let's see what it does here. They might come and get me on this one. I don't know. I don't really care at this point. 20.37% at the bell. SPY 412 call, 215 to 260 scale out. Nice. Nice, guys. All right. Dude, we're almost at 250 likes. Holy shit, guys. Thank you. Yeah, so that's just an easy, quick traffic light play. You guys have seen the power of these in the past. And that's kind of why I say all the time, I feel really bad for people that aren't trading with the traffic lights because I can just quick hit them like this and be in and out in 2 seconds. Very, very, very simple trades there, guys. So these are up 15%. We'll see. 17. Nice. Easy, bro. 18. 20. 21. 23. Oh, here comes the SPY. 24. There it goes. 31% already off of open, bro. 33. Oh, Jesus. That's a nice candle there. All right. I'm going to move my stop up a little. Cool. See if we get a trend day today. Portfolio up 2.19%. Thank you, SPY and Traffic Light. Yeah, dude, that was nasty. That was filthy. Tessie going? Yeah, it got sold right off at that 48. This might take me here. No, it's not. Interesting. If you stood me up on our date, 1348 sucks. Nice, man. All right, guys, this is fun. Dude, the stock market's great. That's just a clear test of the 48 EMA on the 5. Tessie looks interesting here. Just a 16% on a QQQ scalp. Nice. Yeah, I'm leaving this stop where it is. Like, I'm just going to let this thing go. I'm going to play traffic light to traffic light on this. So that's the 1 minute 200 that it needs to break. Yeah, here it comes again. Struggling here. 3.5% SPY trades. Nice. Yeah, new 1 minute candle rejecting that 200 on the 1 minute. Still hot on the RSI on the 1 minute here. Yeah, we'll see. Yep. So here's that link. You want the traffic lights? It comes with your free trial. Make sure that you guys take full advantage of that. And again, today's the last day to get 50% off your lifetime membership. Make sure you guys reach out to Diana if you're interested in that. If you're on the outside and you just want your 50% off lifetime, use code OG Lifetime when you're going to go check out on the platform website. So make sure you guys take advantage of that, man. Today's the last day. So these are up 31% right now. That's pretty nice. Let's see. This thing's just fucking around at the 1 minute 200. Must have grabbed the bottom. Nice, Leo. There you go, buddy. Yeah, these are 34%. 40%. Nice. Moving a stop, I think. Yeah, move my stop. These are now up around 40. 42. Nice trade, man. Nice fucking trade there. What price did you move your stop at? On the it's my stop right now is, let me do some math. My stop is set at 22% profit. What did you see? That you like that made you take the play? 1 minute traffic light, already a big sell off. Nice reversal. Risk at the 13. That's all it was. 46%. Jesus, bro. Come on, Spy. Push. Push it to the limit. 50%. Thank you. All right, guys. I'm going to do a little bit of a tweet real quick. Hold on. All right. Hold on 1 second. I just got to grab this. Hold on. All right. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Tweet. There you go. All right, guys, let me grab that link to that tweet over here. If you guys wouldn't mind running over there, dropping a like on that tweet, dropping a retweet. If you guys are already up on the day 2 and you feel comfortable, put some of your gains down below there. There you guys go. There's that tweet. Let's go have some fun, man. So this could potentially be the only trade I take today. I have my stop well in profit, dude. This is just a filthy trade. Filthy, filthy, filthy trade, dude. Just nasty. So there's that link to that tweet. If you guys wouldn't mind just dropping a like, dropping a retweet over there. We're having fun, man. When you move your stop loss into profit, are you moving to a certain percentage? No. No. I just want to give it enough room. So like for this retest here, I want it to have enough room to retest this 200 and then continue if it wants to. How's the 5-minute look? Struggling with that 200 EMA. Traffic lights for the win, man. Did you play 2.5% of the port on that play? It was around there. It might have been a little lower. Just banked 30% on Nancy. Good shit. Oh, here she comes. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Woohoo! Back up 50%. Nice. Let's see. If it breaks this 413.77, we could have some fun today. We'll see, though. Basically, just protect the nearest level. Yeah, effectively. I want to see this break of the 200. It may not do it here. This could be the run-up, and then it just dies. Like, that's very possible at this point, and that's why I'm moving my stop a little bit higher. Dude, this thing is just ripping. Yeah, so there's that link to that tweet there, guys. If you wouldn't mind dropping a like, dropping a retweet, help spread the word about what we're doing over here with the traffic lights, helping people change their financial situation. I mean, again, I'm the only person on YouTube with an interview with their members turning $8 grand into $1 million. It's for a very good reason, too. Let's see. Slipping now. I already moved my stop higher. Let's see if it's going to hit. No, I still got some room. First time running 1 minute up 9%, and you're out of here. Atta boy, Justin. Went back to paper trading to sharpen your skills when using the 1 minute. The light bulb went off this week with an 80% success rate, approximately 20 trades so far this week. Thank you, Gabe and STV. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. That is awesome. All right. So this looks weird. This is like clean rejection of the 200 EMA here. Watch out. If this slips a little bit more, I'll get taken out. Yeah, I think they're gonna try and take me here, which is fine. I will take up like a what 40% gain. I mean, if they want to let this thing break above the 200, cool. I mean, I'm fine with that. On the daily, is AMC about to get across? Let's take a look. Yeah, I got a traffic light back here. Yeah, it is about to cross. You can see upside to the 200 at 8. If I mean, maybe I wouldn't touch it though. That's just me. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm up 42% on these still. Dude, this is crazy. If this hits today and we just run, that'd be nice. You called AMC before open? Great, dude. Hopefully you made a $5 million. If you didn't, I don't care. I really don't. It's not about predicting. It's about reacting to what the market's giving you. Dude, these are up 58% right now. 60. Get the fuck out of here. If you don't have the traffic lights on your chart, you're going to struggle. You are going to struggle, man. Dude, this is gnarly. Dude. This is great. The cost to borrow has never mattered in the past. Why would it matter now? Is the lifetime membership the only way to get traffic lights? The 4 hour in the 1 minute, they're gonna go to the lifetime members first. Everybody gets the daily traffic light alerts on Monday, I believe. Dude, don't you give me a trend day with these traffic lights. I'm already up 65, 68%. Let's see. $70%. Jesus. Dude, these 1 minute traffic lights are fucking printing. This is so sick. 72% on these. Oh my God. I got to move the stop up. This is crazy. This is the play of the week right here. This is nuts. All right, guys. I mean, again, you want it. You want to change your situation, or you don't. You want to keep YOLOing on nonsense. I know a lot of the people in here that are like, "Oh my God, I made a bunch of money on it." You did it before, and it blew up in your face. So be careful. Nancy's ripping. Spy new highs. Oh my. Oh my. Lifetime is worth it, everyone. 1 week in, and I've already made enough to pay for 36% of it. Mauser, you fucking monster. Yeah, guys, today's the last day for the 50% off Lifetime. I mean, you hit these 1 minute traffic lights, a fucking 75% trade. Jesus, dude. So your stops are set at like what, 10 cents below? No. The contracts that I have right now are at 250 and my stop's at 205. I want to play traffic light to traffic light on this. $414.40 is a 4 hour level on the SPY. Yeah, I know. Why is my 4? Oh, did this move? Because I thought we had 414.40. Fucking Weeble always moves my levels, dude. I just got into Lifetime last night, and the replays of the masterclass were worth it already. Paul, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, remember last day for 50% off Lifetime. If you want to get in, reach out to Diana, and we'll get you guys going. But yeah, Lifetime's well worth it, dude. Like the amount of value that we're providing you guys in there is ridiculous. But again, for those of you guys that don't want Lifetime, you guys can just get the, what do you call it? The normal monthly plan at a price that's is now $30 lower than it was 2 months ago. And you get 2 weeks free. All right. They might take me out here. Unless they pop it hard off of this retest of the 200. Huh? Let's see. Will the masterclass be released to regular members? Probably not, no. If you're on the monthly or the payment plan for Lifetime, then yeah, you'll get those 1 week delayed. And that should be out for you guys next week. But the masterclass is only for the Lifetime members. Yeah, we've been talking a lot about the 1 minute in there too. 1 minute, different time frames, things like that. Well worth the money. Thank you, Jason. I appreciate that. So basically what I'm looking at here is I'm defending the 200. That's effectively what these contracts are doing. There it is. Sold. Done. I'm out. SPY contracts have been sold at like 50%. I love the stock market, man. That is so much fun. Hold on. And this is why we use the stop loss strategy, guys. If you haven't watched that video, again, pay attention or pay a premium. Easy, easy, easy. Remember, I scaled out at 12-ish%. Locked these in. I just threw a new screenshot on the Instagram story. Let's get after it, dude. Those were filthy. Already made your 1348 payments thanks to SPY this morning. There you go, team. All right. So effectively, this could go traffic light to traffic light. Thanks, SCV. First green week in a long time. Fuck yeah, JH. There you go, buddy. Up 1% on the portfolio already? Dude, that's awesome. Congratulations, guys. I love seeing you guys win. We have the biggest group of winners around here. All these other people, follow trade. No, you guys all saw it. It's simple. $18%. There you go. If you get the payment plan, is the 1348 going to expire after 3 years? No. If you get 1348 on the 3-year plan, yes. But if you get it on the monthly payment plan, then when did you stop following AMC? When Ape was a fucking scam and it robbed retail investors. You got stolen from, and I told you that the days it came out. And then everybody was like, I'm going to kill you. And I was like, all right, bro, let's see what happens. And then I'm still alive, and Ape and everything is in the shitter. That's what happened. You can get mad at me all you want, but I'm not going to sit here and tell you that things are great when things have wildly changed. When all these other people did and you guys had to sit through a massive loss. I'm never going to lead you guys to the slaughter like these other morons did. It makes me fucking sick that there's people out there that were like, this is a good idea, even though every fucking sign said it was a shitty idea. It was the worst idea they could have done. It had the potential to be good, but it ended up being an absolute fucking dumpster fire. It was terrible. It was retail investor theft. Possible reversal? Possible if it breaks the 1 minute 200. Explain to me how it wasn't theft. They raised $200 million, which is a drop in the bucket, and literally murdered like 70% of retail value. Great. Six minutes till 10. Yeah. We get what? ISM, right? Yeah, services. Right on time for the obligatory Apis trash rant. Well, it is. I mean, what else do you want me to say about it? Dude, that was such a filthy trade. Why do you have to explain this AMC thing every day? I don't know, dude. I genuinely don't know. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way. We are 4 likes away from 250. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can it run? Yeah, but you better be taking profits when you're seeing these things go up. If you're fucking catching fallen knives, dude. Jesus, I can't. Oh my lord. Do we get traffic lights on the 1 minute? And if you choose the monthly plan, 5 minute, no, we have no plans for the 1 minute. Or the 5 minute. We're gonna be giving you guys the 1 minute one soon, but it's gonna go to the lifetimers first for about 2 weeks once it's ready. Same thing that we did for the daily and the 4 hour traffic lights. Everybody's gonna be getting the daily traffic lights on Monday. We still need a little bit more time to kind of iron out what's going on the 4 hour. But yeah, make sure you guys get your lifetime. Today's the last day, 50% off. OG lifetime. Is there a way to upgrade our subscription? Yes. You go and message Diana in Market Talk, and she's gonna help you do that. Super simple. She just cancels your membership, sends you the instructions on how to upgrade to lifetime, and you are good to go. Just do like at Diana in Market Talk, and she will be able to help you out. What is it you actually do? I make people shitloads of money in the market. We have literally real time unusual options activity, proprietary predictive trading algorithms. We've got the traffic lights. We have a whole built out learning curriculum to teach everybody. There you go. And you just watch me hit a 70% play using this on the SPY. Oh, 50% on shop. There you go. The genie, all you do is hit settings and then tables. Bing, 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 bing. Then you're good. So I'm waiting for the next opportunity to take something. If we see a slip down below the 1 minute 200, you might get a traffic light to the downside. Maybe I'll take that, but we'll see. It's just a waiting game now. I'm up 100% on the account for the week. No losing days. Dude. It's nasty, dude. You guys kill it. I'm also like the only person on YouTube with an interview of their member turning like 8 grand into $1 million. And we're working on another one. So we actually have 2 millionaires. I just got to figure out a time to get that second interview out for you guys. What about the mobile app? That's coming in the future. But Spencer's fucking killing it, dude. 100% on the account in a week. It's ridiculous. Daniel, I just answered that. Can I briefly explain what the 1348 method is? I would go watch the free videos that Gabe and myself have on our channels about it. It's going to take a long time to go through all the nuances of it. We're trying to save you is essentially what we've done. Gabe called it dead at 40. I said that ape was a nonsense, and we've been trying to save people ever since. Did I already do the second interview? No, we're trying to figure out how to do it because he wants to keep his identity just like hidden, which is fair. I mean, well, we're gonna figure out how to actually verify it and then get that out to you guys too. But is it oversold? No, it's actually getting close to overbought territory. Like if you look at it here, from what I remember, 4 hour cooked, daily getting up to cooked. So good luck. I would look to take this to the downside here on this type of move, but who knows? I had 2 losing days this week, but finished the week at 7%. Might take another trade since I'm at 6% for the day. Jesus. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. A year ago, I was buying hold. Today, I just hit 2.65% thanks to all of this dude's knowledge, closing my charts and not giving a penny back. Pepe, I appreciate that, buddy. And Michael, probably, yeah. There's a wide variety of reasons why. Here comes Spy with the traffic light down. There's a wide variety of reasons why, but yeah, they're probably going to remain. Yeah, there's also a 2-week free trial. No, don't want that. Best video intro to 1348. They're all in our curriculum too. So once you sign up for free, I mean, you have a direct list of all of the curriculum videos to help you learn. And if you want to just go find them on YouTube, they're just kind of scattered around on my engaged channels. But yeah, everybody gets the 2-week free trial. Yeah, that was data. Yeah, that was a data candle. What was ISM? 55.2 versus 49.2. Ooh, that's interesting. I don't like this at the 1 minute 200 though. I don't know. We'll see. Didn't close under the 200. It's trying, but it's not getting there yet. Where's the 1 minute 13? 413.69. Yeah, that's a little bit of room there. Let's see. Let's see what Spy wants to do off of here. If it wants to get that knife. Looks like it might. Let's see. Come on. Come on, gimme. Come on, gimme. Don't you fucking don't be fucking around with me again today, Spy. You fuckers. I know you're about to do it too. Thank you. All right, scaled out. Yeah, they're gonna get me on that. That's fine. Quick scalp. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll see what happens with this here. Did I just do a put on Spy? Yeah. I don't understand how anyone that watches your streams doesn't sign up for the 2 weeks. If nothing else, they get the charts videos. You're all crazy if you don't check it out. Michael, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah. I mean, again, we offer the best tools for retail investors to come make money in the market. But at the end of the day, it's going to be up to you guys if you're going to actually take advantage of it. So again, 2 weeks for free, linked at the top of the live chat. I can throw that link in here for you guys as well. Let's see. So I ended up scaling out of that trade at like 6% because I just didn't like it on this move down. It literally was coming to a penny within my like this is more like knowing price action and like looking at like how charts are moving. This is just like intuitively things that I just have picked up. I did not like this. This I didn't like. It's the first test down. I took it. I was like, all right, well, odds are I could get a little bit of a scalp here. I ended up scaling out at about what 6-ish%. And then the thing literally just started to bounce back up. It couldn't break this low. It was getting aggressive. It couldn't do it. And I was like, yeah, I'm not letting it sit there. So easy scalp. That's okay. I'll take that. Apple levels. Let's see. Oh, Apple's on a fucking moon mission here. I mean, you could look at 155 at this point. Yeah. So I didn't like that. I took it quick. Probably that was just a quick baby scalp. Do you have to be lucky? No. What's ISM? It's hold on, because there's ISM and there's the other one. Hold on. Yeah, it's like supply chain stuff, I thought. Hold on. Yeah, it's just non-manufacturing or services firms purchasing and supply. Hold on. What? No, no, no. This is not the right one. All right, there comes Spy back down. Hold on. Hold your horses. Yeah, it's more so. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's looking more so. It's just like it's basically looking at like purchasing behaviors in like services industry and like employees and shit like that. Yeah, yeah. This is nonsense price action. Careful. I don't like this now. This is all fucked up. When you see it, just like it almost get a traffic light to the upside, have one to the downside. This I don't really like all that much. What's going on here? All right. All right, guys. Dude, we are 50 likes away from 300. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Yeah, I do not like this here. Maybe at this point, I'd probably start looking towards the 3 minute. Just kind of giving it a look for more confirmation. Dude, there's like fucking coffee grounds in my coffee. How the fuck did that happen? A lot of people don't believe they can trade since they are used to following others. 1348 trains you and gives you the confidence to trade on your own with a life skill that no one can take away. Yeah, Stucky, that's what it's all about. It's all about teaching you to fish. Because here's the thing too. Here's the problem with following somebody else's trades, and it's not necessarily having to do with the person that's doing it. It has to do with like overall human psychology. Humans in general are fucking lazy. What they're going to do usually is that even if like let's say that Gabe and I gave you all of the learning curriculum videos that we have, did all these live streams all the time, but we're still alerting you on our trades. Most people would be like, "Meh, I'm just going to follow." They don't put the time in to learn. So humans are always going to take the path of least resistance, and you're never going to learn the skill. And here's the problem too. One, you're going to be late. Two, all these other idiots out there could easily be using you as exit liquidity, which is you're literally paying them for them to use you, which is terrible. Um, and then what's the other part? You're never actually going to know fully why you're entering or where the trade is actually wrong. That is the most important part of trading. You're just willy-nilly following somebody else. Also, it's like, what? You're gonna depend on some other dude for your trade? What are you doing? Are the master classes different from the videos on the 1348 website? Yes, that is only for the lifetime members, and they're filthy. We've been doing some pretty dirty shit in those lifetime master classes with you guys. Looking into it for sure. 8 Bridge games. We'd love to have you, man. We would love to have you. I still wonder what damage I could have done with the 100K I put into AMC if you had 1348. You probably would have murdered it. Like, I could show you where the traffic lights are, and you're gonna be like, "Fuck, bro, really?" No, I believe it was ISM services, not PMI. Oh, 9:45, you got PMI. Yeah, SPY is slipping here. Okay, watch this closing candle down below the 13 on the 5. Do you get stream? No, 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 guys, you don't get any master classes with monthly. You get the Monday private streams, though. You get the Monday private streams. What's a reasonable trading cash level? Whatever you're comfortable with. Where can you get the lifetime master classes? Just became a lifetime member recently. You got to send a message to Diana, and she will send you the links to all of them. People who follow trade are the same people who cruise in the left lane. Yeah, dude, you're never gonna get rich doing that. Ever. It's not happening. Sorry. SB, we really appreciate you sharing your knowledge to help us become better traders. Blaze, I appreciate you, buddy. Thank you. $13.48 will let me retire at age 50. Just focus and learn. Once it clicks, you will just sit back and be financially free. John, dude, I know you're going to get there, man. I can't wait to do more of these millionaire interviews with you guys. I mean, my goal is 10 this year. I think we're going to have more, though. I think we're going to have way more. Where's the 5-minute 13? This thing's just flickering, dude. How do we get the Monday night streams? We send you the links to them. Those are private. Those are for everybody in the community. Where's Apple right now? Apple kind of fizzling. When's the interview coming for the second millionaire? I have to try and set it up with him. How much capital are you guys deploying typically? Ape Rage, it is everything is broken down for you in the curriculum videos. Everything. But yeah, it's maximum 10% portfolio allocation. But we have, it's in all the videos for you. Crazy to think you guys made 2 millionaires. In what time frame did they become millionaires? I think the first guy was 2 years. And then he came over to 1348 and then really cranked it up. And then the first guy, that was the second guy. The first guy was 6 months. He was trading with these other idiots, had 60 grand, lost a bunch of it, was at 8 grand, then turned it into $1 million from June. But I have a video breaking down the interview's out on my channel. It's pretty sweet. It's a really cool video. It's linked in the description of this one too. Make sure you guys check that out if you're interested. SPY looks a bit interesting here. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, man. If you follow the rules, you follow the system. I mean, again, I'm not going to say that you're going to become a millionaire, but I mean, you have a good chance at making money consistently. Oh, that fucking 200 on the 5 minutes going to be a fucker. Yeah, this is going to be a fucker, I think. Oh, no, here it comes back up. All right. Here's a good life lesson. Do we chase this big candle or no? Do we chase this big candle or no, guys? This is a good lesson here. You're seeing a big pop. Do we chase this? In those 6 months, he also did one YOLO and it cost him 80 grand in a day. Yeah. This could be good, but I am not chasing this. You're already up on it? Yeah. I'm not chasing that. Remember, I've already nailed the SPY move up. Do I really need to take the risk on this one on a potential drop down? And it's about to hit a level. 414.43. No chasing. There's 70 cents of risk on the table here. I don't like that. You have 2 levels right there, so not really worth the risk. Exactly. Exactly, guys. Do you still follow AMC? No, not since like August because Ape is theft. That's why. When information changes and I feel that retail is getting just fucked over, I'm going to tell you. And I was right. And I'm still alive. So like when everybody was like, I'm going to kill you because you have a different opinion than me, even though it's factually based. Cool. We're over here making millionaires. That's what we're doing. Apple rip? Did it? Ooh, Apple. Big boy candle there. Hello. Oh, wait. No way. No way it does this. Ain't no way. That's funny. I love it. Yeah. I just don't like the chase on that move. You could have hit it, but that's not one for me. Right at a level. No thanks. I would like it to rip here. Like, it'd be cool if the market just started ripping, but I don't know if it can. I mean, I don't like that. That I never like. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We are almost at 300 likes for the morning stream. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. That was a nasty spy trade in the morning off the traffic light. I mean, I sort of hit this little thing, but this I don't like because it's too big of a candle. I want to wait for a retest on it. I mean, it could just run from here and then it just goes, which is cool, but I'm not going to be chasing. No thanks. Need a retest of the 13. Yeah, and there it goes. That's fine. I mean, Apple, I think, is getting some juice over here. Yeah, I mean, again, I don't need to chase every move. I've already hit a 70 fucking percent trade. Like, leave me alone. I don't need to hit all of them. But, I mean, you see the traffic lights are filthy. 5% on the port. I'm out for the day. Water slides the rest of the day. That'll be fun. I want Apple over here. Dude, imagine if Apple tries to go to like 160. Like, that would be comical. Done on the second port, 3.5% SPX trades. Nice, man. Days to expiration on that trade? 1. On the one that I hit, it was 1. Did I see Gabe's breakup on Twitter? That was harsh. Oh, with the Reese's? No more Reese? Was that the one? Tesla new high? Nice. Yeah, I mean, I'm not all that crazy about chasing any of these moves. If it wants to break and run, cool. Do whatever you got to do. I'm playing traffic light to traffic light. Let's see. All right, hold on. Let me grab my water really quick. Guys, make sure you hit that like button on the way in. You guys are slacking here. We're almost at 300 likes. Let's do it. I needed my water. Great start to the weekend. Made 3.15% on the port. Thank you, SV. There you go, Rose. Eli, no, wasn't a 10% allocation. I scaled out at 12 and then rode the next one. I believe I got filled at 50%, but it ended like I'm using the stop loss strategy. Keep it simple. Here comes the spy. Oh, Apple. Hello there. Hello, Apple. Is there news on Apple? It's just after earnings. It's just an after earnings move. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Only use a third of your settled cash and secured 5% on the day. Time to Jesus, bro. This is why we can't have nice things. Jesus. Apple fizzling. Let's see what happens with Apple here. SUV, I like the TikToks. Keep doing them. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, make sure that you guys are following me on TikTok and Instagram. Those are fun. The TikTok's starting to pick up a little bit here. It's just Short the Vix one on both TikTok and Instagram and on Twitter too. Make sure you guys are following me there for all my degenerate activities. When I try to piss people off on Twitter, it's hilarious. All right, let me switch this to live chat really quick. Tesla on fire. A lot of things are right now. Dude, that SPY trade was so filthy. I might just be done for the day on that one. Nancy trying to break highs. That's cool. I mean, I'm not going to be chasing it there. Like, yeah, Nancy is trying to make its way up here. Jesus, SPY's off my fucking screen. Dude, it would be real sweet if we got to 300 likes. Thank you, guys. We're like 25 away. And you guys are all printing here. Unlike all these other morons out there. They're like, follow me. Follow my trades. Shit's hilarious. So yeah, guys, remember, today is the last day to get lifetime at 50% off. Make sure you reach out to Diana if you guys are interested in that. Today is like really last day. We extended it a little bit for you guys just because the payment plan's not ready yet. But again, 2 weeks for free. Trade 1348 platform. It's the best place to come and learn how to trade. You guys have no idea. What the? Hold on. I hate when people call me and then don't speak when I say hello. Haven't made a trade yet? That's fine. Calling it done for the day has been one of your biggest struggles lately. I'm going back to the 2% plus stop rule. Them traffic lights are an evil temptress. Dude, the traffic lights are filthy. I mean, I don't know what you guys else want to see. You could I could throw up it on Apple for you right here. Boom. Traffic light. Print. Comes down to if you guys like actually want to make money or not. Simple as that, man. Microsoft just paid one trade for the day. Standard 5-minute cross for the win on that one. There you go. Tesla did $100 in a month. That's pretty nuts. The 50% off lifetime, and it's still $13.48. The listed price is $26.99. We're giving you 50% off. You like trades, yeah. Don't be coming and asking me for 150 grand for no reason, because I'll just steal all your people and then make them money and have them hate you. Like, you did the NVIDIA call, then just did a small play, 10% was out quick, $43 profit. That's not bad, man. There you go. There you go. Port is up 5% already. I fucking love this group. Don't get left behind. I mean, the prices are going to go up. For OG is still the same. No, after today, no more 50% off lifetime. There's really no more lifetime. You will be able to do the payment plan, but that's it. 50% off today is the cutoff. If you want it, today's the last day. And then it goes over to the payment plan. We want everybody wanted to make it more accessible to everybody, so that's what we ended up doing. Portfolio up 3% for the day. Back to your regular job now. There you go. Portfolio on paper trade account, you're up 8.5% in 4 days. Nice, Brent. Let's Let's see. SCV first 2 trades, 5% yesterday, 12% today. Thank you. I love you. No, I love you, Caleb. I love you. I love you guys. Like, I love this shit. Like, I don't think you guys realize how much I love doing this. Like, helping you guys make money in the market, like seeing your guys' gains, doing the millionaire interviews, hearing what vacations you guys are able to go on now. Like, it's fucking awesome, man. I couldn't ask for a better role here or a job. It's fun, man. I love doing this with you. All right. SPY still pushing highs here. So even on that traffic light, it worked. But again, you have to think about what's the most likely outcome and where your risk is. On this candle, there is zero chance in hell I'm taking a trade with 60 cents of risk. Maybe I could have gotten more time on it, but it wasn't worth it to me. So, and again, I had already nailed the SPY earlier, so I was like, whatever. But I mean, again, traffic lights work very, very, very well. Let's see here. The compounding calculator completely changed your mindset. Nice. Yeah. Once you guys hop into your free trial, make sure you go over to the compounding interest calculator. That's like step one. You need to keep your expectations in check. Works with not much time to check their phone. I would say use the daily or 4-hour traffic lights and size them down. That's probably how I would do it. Can I look at Intel? Not sure if you keep holding it next week or take your gains. If you're asking that question, you probably know the answer. Talking. Jesus. Well, that's not what I want. I want this. McCocken. There will be many millionaires from this method. 1348 for the win. Ben, thank you, buddy. Yeah, that's my goal. I want at least 10 this year. McCocken. Have you made it free? Have you scaled out? Have you used the stop loss strategy? Have you done the things that we talk about all the time? This is pretty big if you're playing the 4-hour traffic light. Holy apple, Jesus. Dude, we're 13 likes away from 300. That's fucking awesome. So when the yellow light comes to 1 minute, do you wait for the yellow light on the downside before you get out of the play? I try to. I try to hold traffic light to traffic light, but I scale out at like I'm scaling out between 6 and 15%. That's about where my scale out points are. To like sell half of it, move a stop to break even, and let the trade go. But I'm basically moving my stops to where I think it's going to trigger traffic light to traffic light. Like another traffic light. But I mean, you guys can see here, I've shown you so many of these. A Tesla is probably one of the best examples of the traffic lights on the daily. If you look at this right here, daily, you have this one right here that's alerting you on this day at 137. You're at 196. Boom. This is the big one, though. Even if I'm being mean with it and I give it at 270, it's still at 196. But if you play traffic light to traffic light all the way down here, you ride it from 270 to basically 130. What else do you guys need to see, dude? You're being left behind. It's okay if you don't want to make money in the market. You just have to make that decision for yourself and be like, okay, well, I just am going to sit here and not make money. That's okay. Like if you're just going to treat this like gambling, it's fine. It's not my money. All right, we might be on for a little bit longer today, just because Gabe has been at a doctor's appointment. So we'll probably hang out with you guys for a little bit. I've been paying month to month for a long time. I'm glad you guys set up the payment plan for lifetime. Thank you guys. Cam, Can, and Will. Yeah, I mean, we wanted to make it more accessible to everybody, so that's going to be coming out to you guys next week. But yeah, today's the last day to get 50% off the one-time payment of lifetime. You want to make money? I do construction work. It's very slow, and you're at 71 years old Saturday, so you can't do more construction. So I'm trying something that will work. There you go, Brent. Let's see. Do you use take profits too, or just stop losses? I use limit sells. 1348, same as traffic lights, like the alpha main. What is that? 1348 is or traffic lights are an extension of 1348. The $500 bot completed its first trade. She's up 0.6% so far. Gonna run her until next Friday for a small port test. Fuck yeah, algo. Guys, I mean, again, we have proprietary trading algorithms that kill it too. You're in the right place now. Shout out to all you guys that are in here. You finally found it. 3 for 3 on trades today. Stop loss strategy killing it. Yeah, dude, it works very well. Like really well. Dude, these TikToks and the short forms are fun too. We're having fun, man. Oh, bro, this TikTok's cranking. There we go. She's trading a cash count following all the rules too. Nice. Yeah, we're going to have something special for you guys with Rita soon. It might just be for lifetime, but we'll see. Let's see. Somebody let me know when Gabe is about to pop in. Stop loss strategy on the website or your channel? Both. I mean, it's on my channel. It's also linked in the description of this video. Lifetime should have these special perks. Well, no. You're not going to get Rita. Like, you're not getting access to Rita. But there's something that we can do. Come on, bro. Why is this phone so terrible? Let's see. I've heard my favorite girl's name, Rita. She's a special girl. Rita is spicy. Rita is very spicy. Am I front running lights now? No. No, I don't front run traffic lights. I just get things ready just in case so I can be even faster on my execution if I need to. But I honestly don't like all that much to the downside here with the way the market looks and how Apple's doing right here. Like, unless Apple really fizzles and starts to crack, I don't know if the SPY is going to really come down all that much. Like, it could, but who knows? You're 6 for 6 on your personal portfolio, up 20% on the port. At a boy, algo. You guys are killing it, man. I mean, there's no other way around it. You guys are slaughtering it. Hestia is spicy. She's the one I'm testing. She's a Rita variant. Yeah. I'm a monthly OG 1348. So if you go to your account, you just need to choose lifetime and pay for it. You can, but you need to reach out to Diana in the Discord community. So do like at Diana, hi, I'd like to transfer over to lifetime, and then she will help you out making that process super smooth. So you can cancel your monthly and then get lifetime. No, it's half of 26.99. So you're getting it at 1348. The listed price is 26.99, which is already too low. We're basically giving this shit away for free to you guys. Like, that's the thing. Like, we came out at 1348 and we were like, yeah, we way underpriced ourselves for what we're giving you guys. It's insane. So we stuck by our word. We're giving you guys until the end of the day today to get that. And then overall lifetime's going away. It's switching over to the payment plan. Unless you share Rita, why talk about it? Because it's a great illustration of how well you can do trading if you follow the rules that we talk about. It's just following the rules. You guys need to be very, very good rule followers. Ooh, 6 likes away from 300. Who's going to be lucky number 300? This is the only place I've ever made money and was in control of my trades. Getting lifetime today. I'm a 1-year plus member. It's time. Christian, let's do it, buddy. Shout out to you. Shout out to all the lifetimers and all the new members too. Everybody, if you're a new member in here over the last month or so, show yourselves. We want to give you a nice congratulations and a welcome. You guys have been coming in super hot for 10 months, Johnny. Gabe's going to be live in an hour, 11:30. Okay. Yeah. So we'll go on for like another 15, 20 minutes. Was it me? I think it was, Wayne. I think it was you. Rita follows all the rules perfectly. If we could analyze and execute as fast as she does, we would have the exact same games. Exactly. It's all about following the rules. Let's see, where's Apple? There goes Apple again. New highs. Damn, bro. Oh, shit. What's lifetime today? You get 50% off the $26.99 listed price. It's about 50%. So you get it at $13.48. The payment plan is going to be $150 per month for 10 months. And monthly right now is $69. So the payment plan for lifetime gets you the, what do you call it? It basically is going to give you access to the delayed master classes, some other special things that we're going to add in there for you guys too. And then after 10 months, you never pay again. $8 for $8 now. There you go. Dude, Apple's insane. Biden praises jobs report, low jobless rate. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what we need to take down inflation. Smart one there. That's funny, dude. You're on the quarterly sub? Message Diana if you're on quarterly. If you're on quarterly, we'll be able to. Oh my god, I'm not. Hold on. If you're on quarterly, it gets credited to your basically so it gets subtracted from the 1348 payment. Let's see. Hold on. Dude, Apple's a spicy one today. Look at this. For the extra access, if you want the previous master classes, yes. Other than that, you're all going to be emailed the one for this weekend, and you will be good to go. Dude, Apple's on tilt today. Look at this thing. It's up 4%. That's pretty nuts. All this will come crashing down later. I'd laugh so hard if it did. Let's see. 4 for 4, gonna go for a walk. Hit the Wendy's gains there, buddy. You got the fucking 4 for 4. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way. We got a couple more minutes here on the morning stream. Let's see. Do I ever run the wheel? Nah. Yeah, so those two traffic lights on the SPY were sick. I didn't want to chase this candle, though. You could have played it off of this, but wasn't a fan. Ooh, did Apple just get killed? A little bit. And funny enough, I'm a 4.4% on the port. Oh, there you go. Or leaps? Rarely. You feel like you're watching The Big Short and where they can't understand why the market's going up? Fair enough, man. Fair enough. You're about to get a new 5-minute candle here too. Apple's just extendoed. Cool. I'm not streaming the Biden speech. I don't give a fuck what he says. I really don't. Like, I couldn't give less of a fuck. Is this 2008 2.0? No, it's not. Done for the day. Ran the old 1348 4 for 4 special. Have a good weekend, gang. Spencer, you too, buddy. SPY 13% rim on the day. 53.6% on the week. Jesus, dude. You guys are crushing it. That's because he can't complete any coherent sentences. You're correct on that one. Biden says he takes no blame for inflation. Biden says inflation was there when he arrived. I mean, yeah. That's what happens when you print fuckloads of money. That's kind of what happens. Byron. Yeah. The transitory inflation. Yeah. Let's see here. What's SPY going to do off of this? Let's see. No, the Chinese spy balloon, dude, I've seen that. They can't shoot it down because then it's going to like hit people. So they just have to let it go. Dude, that's the wildest shit ever. I saw that on like TikTok yesterday where there's like some Chinese spy balloon floating over like California and they can't shoot it down because if they do, they're worried about debris just like clapping folks, which is fair. So now they just have to let this spy balloon just like, oh, it's above Montana now? Oh, interesting. Why would you want it above Montana? What's in Montana? It's in Montana. Who's it going to hit, stupid? It was Montana. Okay, maybe it's Montana, dude. I just came up with California out of my ass because that's what I thought it was. Whatever. Okay, fine. I got the fucking state wrong. It's close enough. An ICBM? A nuclear reactor? Oh, this is getting the plot thickens. The plot thickens. Shoot it down over Yellowstone. What if it's like a bomb, though? Wait, the ICBM field? Isn't that intercontinental ballistic missile? Wait a second. China looking to buy land? Don't they already own a bunch of land? Dude, imagine that's what it is. They're just like, I just want to buy land. Like, they're just like, fuck you guys. We were just too lazy. We sent our fucking balloon over there to go look at it to see if we want to buy it. 90 miles from your house. Have you seen it? Hear me out. Let's blow it to Canada first. Dude, imagine you just like got like a giant fan and then just like started like pushing it like back. Like you're just having like an air fight, like literally a wind fight in the sky. What if they just lasered it? Well, it would still fall. Or you'd have to poke like a tiny hole in it and then have it like slowly fall. A Chinese real estate drone. Dude, that would be so funny. China said it accidentally blew in from Canada. That's cap, bro. What the fuck is in Canada that they want? There's no guns. I mean, there might be, but like, what do they want in Canada? They're gonna start buying land in Canada too? I sense bullshit. Godzilla. Oh, whoops. We accidentally sent our spy drone into Montana, where there's also intercontinental ballistic missiles and nuclear reactors. Whoops. Shut the fuck up. Like, come on, bro. Come on, man. All right, guys. It's 10:45. I've given you a little bit more than you deserve today. All right, team. Make sure that you guys take advantage of that 2-week free trial. Remember, today is the last day to get lifetime for 50% off at the $13.48 price, discounted from $26.99. If you guys do want that, get access to all the master classes, everything like that. Hit up Diana. If not, and you're on the outside and you still want it, just use code OG Lifetime. But again, free trial is still there. You guys should all be taking advantage of that at this point. If you don't, I mean, you must hate money or something. I don't know. I like money. I like making money in the market. So, I mean, this is why we do what we do over here. So, team, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button or hit that like button on the way out. No, I'm not saying live until Gabe comes home. That's like an extra hour. That's crazy. We got an extra 15 minutes with you guys. He'll be on in a little while, but team, I will see you guys a little bit later. Other than that, peace.